Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing your smartphone is no longer the most important device you own. What if I told you that a new piece of technology is quietly preparing to replace it? A device that sits right on your face, looks like ordinary glasses, but has the power to change how you see the world, literally. These are not just glasses. These are smart glasses, and today we're diving deep into the mystery behind them. Unlike the bulky VR headsets we've seen in the past, these glasses don't scream science fiction. They look simple, even stylish, but inside them hides a world of augmented reality. AI assistance, instant translations, live navigation, and even health tracking. Imagine walking down the street and seeing directions floating in the air, or attending a meeting where subtitles appear right in front of your eyes in real time. Sounds like science fiction? Not anymore. But here's the real mystery. If smart glasses are so powerful, why haven't they taken over the world yet? Why are companies like Apple, Meta, and Google investing billions, but still keeping things in the shadows? Is this the technology we've all been waiting for? Or just another overhyped promise that will disappear like so many failed gadgets of the past? That's what we're going to uncover today. Stick with me till the end, because this is not just another product review. In this video, you'll discover how smart glasses really work, what hidden features are being tested right now, and why they might completely replace smartphones in the next few years. And trust me, you'll want to hear the ending, because the future of smart glasses is far stranger than you think. So let's open the box, lift the veil, and take a closer look at the world's most mysterious upcoming gadget. Welcome to the Tech Mystery Box, and today we're unlocking the secrets of smart glasses. On the outside, smart glasses look like ordinary eyewear, but inside them, you'll often find a mini projector that beams images directly onto the lens, creating a display only you can see. Some models even have built-in microphones for voice commands, tiny speakers for spatial audio, and sensors that track your head movement. It's like wearing a smartphone on your face, but way more futuristic. Now, imagine you're walking into a crowded airport. With smart glasses, you don't need to pull out your phone to check your gate or flight status. The information simply appears in front of your eyes, floating in mid-air. Lost in a new city? Just say, "Show me the way," and arrows light up on the street in real time. This is augmented reality, a digital layer on top of the real world, and it has the power to completely change how we navigate life. But that's just navigation. Let's talk communication. Imagine sitting in a meeting with people speaking different languages, and subtitles appear live, right in front of you. Or imagine receiving a phone call, and instead of pulling out your device, the caller's video feed pops up right on your lens. It's like FaceTime or Zoom, but without the phone in your hand. Suddenly, communication feels seamless, almost telepathic, and it doesn't stop there. Some prototypes are being tested with health sensors, monitoring your heart rate, tracking your daily steps, even checking blood oxygen levels. Picture this, you're out on a jog, and instead of glancing at a smartwatch, your glasses overlay your speed, distance, and heart rate directly in your vision. It's like your own personal fitness trainer following you everywhere. Now let's move into productivity. Think about working on multiple screens at once without actually owning any physical monitors. With smart glasses, you can project a digital screen anywhere, on your wall, in the air, or even on your desk. That means editing videos, coding, writing, or browsing the web could be done without carrying a laptop everywhere. Your workspace becomes infinite, and your imagination is the only limit. Of course, no technology is perfect. The pros are clear. A hands-free experience, real-time information, immersive AR, and health integration. But the cons? Battery life is still limited. Displays can sometimes feel dim in bright sunlight. And privacy concerns are a huge question. After all, would you feel comfortable if someone wearing glasses could secretly record you? That's where the debate begins. Now here's the golden question. Will smart glasses replace smartphones? On one hand, smartphones are deeply ingrained in our lives. On the other, smart glasses can make them completely invisible, integrating all of their functions into something as natural as wearing glasses. But there's a catch. Every revolutionary technology first struggles to prove itself. Remember when smartphones replaced feature phones? People doubted them too. Could we be standing at the edge of the next big tech revolution? And this is where things get interesting. Behind the scenes, tech giants are racing to make smart glasses powerful enough to actually replace our daily devices. Billions of dollars are being poured into secret projects. Prototypes are hidden from the public, and leaks suggest features we can barely imagine today. But the truth is, what's coming might be far beyond just glasses. It could be the first step towards something bigger. A world where technology blends so seamlessly with reality, we may not even notice it anymore. So far, we've seen the promises of smart glasses: instant navigation, seamless communication, health tracking, endless productivity. But here's the truth. These devices are more than just tools. They're windows into a future where the line between physical and digital reality completely disappears. And that's both exciting and terrifying, because think about it. If smart glasses can replace your phone, what's stopping them from replacing much more? Wallets, IDs, even physical offices could vanish. You could carry your entire life inside a pair of lenses. But the real mystery? Some insiders whisper that these glasses are just the first step toward full-blown augmented reality contact lenses, or even direct brain-computer interfaces. And if that's true, then what we're seeing today might only be the beginning. The question is, are you ready for it? Because whether we like it or not, this technology is coming. The only question is when. Will smart glasses be the next big leap forward, or the biggest failure in tech history? That's the mystery we're going to keep unlocking here on the Tech Mystery Box. So if you want to stay ahead of the future, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and share this video with your fellow tech explorers. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Because here's the twist. What if the next device you buy doesn't just sit in your pocket, but lives on your face, listens to your every word, and watches everything you see? Is that convenience or control? The answer might just redefine technology forever. Until next time, keep your eyes open, because the future is closer than it looks.